In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the WPS button on your Virgin Hub 5 to connect devices quickly and securely. The WPS button on the Virgin Hub 5 lets you connect compatible devices to your Wi-Fi network without typing the password. You'll find the WPS button on the back of the hub, usually labeled WPS or marked with two curved arrows forming a circle. To connect a device using WPS, first make sure the device supports WPS. On your device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and start the WPS connection process. This might be called WPS push button or similar. Next, press and hold the WPS button on the Virgin Hub 5 for about 2 seconds. You'll see the WPS light start blinking, indicating it's ready to pair. Within 2 minutes, your device should connect automatically to the Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't, try moving the device closer to the hub and repeat the steps. For security, remember that WPS can have vulnerabilities. Use it only when necessary, and disable it in your hub settings after you finish connecting devices. You can access the settings by logging into the hub's admin page through your web browser. If the connection fails repeatedly, restart both your Virgin Hub 5 and the device you're trying to connect. Also, make sure your device's firmware is up to date. Using the WPS button makes connecting devices quick and easy, but always balance convenience with security. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.